In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 9x16 video by using Hailuo AI. So over here, once you come to Hailuo AI, as you can see, you can go to create over here on the left, and in here you can create your AI videos. However, if you want it to be 9x16, I tried two different methods and found out the best way to get this done. So the first thing I tried is actually just put in a prompt over here where it says text to video, and I typed in 9x16 vertical shot of a ski slope. However, as you can see, this shot is by no means 9x16, so this is not the one we're looking for. So I found out that the best way to actually create 9x16 videos is by actually doing image to video. So if you have an image prior to starting your video creation over here, you will be able to get a 9x16 video quite easily without having to put anything in here that specifies you want a vertical video. So I put in this image over here that I just downloaded from Google. It's an AI image. I'm going to show it to you right now. In a second, there we go. As you can see, this is a vertical image. It's a 9x16 image, and I put that in there. So I just put that into image to video and typed I want it to become blinking, so the eye starts blinking. And as you can see, from this 9x16 video, this Hailuo AI actually created a vertical 9x16 video, and that's the best way to actually get it done. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.